Hi guys, my name's Emily Teague. I'm a portrait and fashion photographer based out of Brooklyn, New York, and today we are in the heart of Brooklyn. We are in Bushwick, which is a really cool area, a lot of graffiti, a lot of interesting people, and we're working with vflatworld and Adorama today. So the project today is we're actually going to take people and we're going to pull them over to this little set that we've created, and we're just going to take some really beautiful portraits of them with some great light. It's going to look like we're in the studio, even though we're in this kind of gritty little spot. We have this set right over there conveniently.
Is it like one? Just one
like
pic?
Is that what?
So it's going to be probably like 15 photos just until we get like a really good looking one of you.
Okay.
And just go do it.
Do I have to take my mask off?
You do, but I'm going to keep distance from you.
Okay.
Yeah, and then...
Go ahead, girl.
Are you down? It's going to be really fun and easy. Also, you get a cool portrait of you, which is kind of cool too.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it. And then I'm gonna have you just look right about here, a little bit up. Beautiful. And before we do it, I'm just gonna have you take a deep breath and just kind of exhale, and it's gonna look like this really regal, nice, soft portrait.
Okay.
You look gorgeous. You did great. That was a very nice start to the day. We're doing a little project today. We're working with two companies. We're working with vflatworld and Adorama, and we're just kind of pulling people off the streets to take portraits of them, like really flattering soft light portraits. Would you be down?
Cool, yeah.
Let's do it. Cool. If you come right over here, we actually have a whole little studio set up. And so yeah, as far as posing, just anything that kind of feels, actually that's great. I love that. We are done. Okay. Beautiful. I love how you look.
Thank you.
Your hair, everything about it. And feel free to change your pose just slightly as we go. Beautiful.
Yeah, those came out great.
Great models.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much. 2, 3. Excuse me? We're doing some portraits over here with vflatworld and Adorama, where we just take like portraits off the street from random strangers. Are you interested in having a portrait taken?
Sure.
Sweet, cool. You get some really cool photos out of it, so there's that.
They look great.
I'm so glad you like them. Dude, thank you so much.
No, thank you.
Go, run. Don't worry about us.
Run.
We're doing some portraits over there, just like photographing random people in Bushwick. Are you guys interested at all? Sure. You'll get some free portraits out of it. Okay. Cool, and you have the most amazing eyes. Like, cool, so we're only a block and a half that way. Okay. Cool, I saw your hair from like 2 blocks away. I was like, oh my goodness.
Really?
Yeah. Great lines. Let's try looking at that light again. 2 more. Final one. Thank you so much, guys.
I love the glasses.
Oh, those are mine, yeah.
Like the shadow and the glass.
Oh, they are my all-time favorites. look at each other real quick. Back at me. Maybe let's do like if one of you wants to lean your head towards the other one. or we could try something else. Thank you guys for watching that. I hope you enjoyed kind of seeing our street studio setup and seeing some of the interesting people that we got to speak to today. If you're interested in more educational / inspirational content from vflatworld and Adorama, make sure to check out this series that's continuing, and I'll catch you guys next time.